preheat the oven to 350. I used vanilla sandwich cream cookies. Place them on the bottom of a buttered casserole dish, 13 by 9. I used heavy whipping cream and filled it up to about halfway up the cookies. I made a box of lemon pudding filling according to the box instructions. I spread that around the top of the cookies. I used blueberry pie filling. I spread that across the top of the pudding. I used white cake mix. I sprinkled that evenly across the top of the blueberries. I used 12 tablespoons of butter, which is 1.5 sticks. Spread those out evenly on top of the cake mix. Put it in the oven for 45 minutes. And this is what it looks like when you take it out. And it's way better than it looks. Thank you for watching. Enjoy!